In this video, I'll be showing you how you can generate photos or pictures and also video using the Qwen AI. Make sure that you are using the latest model in the Qwen series, which is the Qwen 2.5 Max, since this is capable of generating images and videos accurately. So first, we want to generate a image. So click the image generation, and then we will prompt it on asking to generate something. Generate a cat with fish. And as you can see, it is now loading and is preparing for the image that we want to be generated. As you can see, it has generated a cat with a fish. Meanwhile, for video generation, this feature is currently unavailable, but the same steps are applied, or you can do the same step that we did on the image generation in order to generate a video. Well, that's it. That's how you can generate videos or pictures in Qwen AI, and thank you for listening.